In front of me is Nubia Z60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating and launching Clock app. When you're ready, use Alarm section at the bottom left corner. And before creating new alarm, tap on this gear at the top right one. Then adjust all of those options under alarm however you want to. When you finished, go back and tap on blue button at the bottom in the middle. Then set up an hour at the top. When you finished, tap on one of those options. Once, weekdays, or custom. If you want to select custom, after clicking on it, pick days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. To save them, hit save at the bottom right corner. Then click on snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. To switch it off or on, use blue switcher at the top. Then select alarm tone. Pick one of those by tapping on the best one. Or click on all ringtones at the bottom. Then by clicking on music at the top right corner, you can pick any song from your device and set it up. Just click on it and tap on OK at the bottom right corner. If you don't want to do that, click on Alarm Tone at the top left corner, pick one of those alarms, click on the chosen one and hit OK. Finally, you can click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm, and tap on Label to name it. Then select select OK in the pop-up and click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it and click on one of those options. To turn it back on, hit the same, now gray switcher. You can also just tap on one of your alarms available on the left, edit them however you wish to, and save your changes thanks to this check mark again. To delete your alarm completely, you need to hold it instead. Click Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!